Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Efren. I'm a designer and I also love building DIY projects. And in today's video is, as you can see, this is gonna be the first cut of this CNC machine. So everything is ready. So I already loaded the design into the laptop in here. So as you can see, nandiyan sa baba. And this is the spindle. And this one is right now zeroed. And I am ready to cut. So this is just gonna be a cut sample. So I'm cutting here a design sample of some future projects maybe. And this one is a 12 mm or a 10 mm actually, marine plywood, and I am using a 1/8 compression bit. So I'm just going to try if I can cut this in 2 passes using this particular bit and in this system for me to try if how long and if this one is gonna be fast and easy to be cut by this particular machine that I have fully assembled. And also we're going to try if that particular dust collection that I made. So currently I did not put a dust boot in here just for me to see the flow or the speed of the machine. And after that one, we're just going to try if the dust collection that I made is working in this particular machine using that dust collection that I made in the previous video. Let's go and let's start cutting this design. By the way guys, this is the first time that I'm going to do a cutting of this one. So I already tried and test the whole system, so it's working. As you can see on my 2 previous video, I already did a surfacing. So aside from surfacing a slab, the DIY table that I made, and also this particular spoil board, that's the only cutting or surfacing that I'm using in this particular machine. So I haven't really tried using this machine in cutting sheet good. So this is gonna be the first time, and let's go. And this whole machine is turned on right now, so let's go. Oh, di ka. So as you can see, it's already start cutting. So currently I am running this one in a 2000, but then I ranked it up more because I think it's still fine. So 2 passes with this particular small bit, so I think it's gonna be fine. So I'm going to crank it up more. So as you can see guys, medyo malinis. So it's a little bit cleaner in this side. This particular area, I didn't use this particular DIY dust collection for the CNC. And I think it's working. The only downside that I can see for this dust collection is the brushes. So for the cutting or this particular cut-offs, I did not put any tabs. That's why this area it's kind of fine because there's no brush rubbing all the cuts. But then in this side here, the brush is kind of rubbing the cuts, and it's kind of popping out of the area. So this may cause some problems in the future, or I don't know if I can get that kind of problem in here. So we'll continue on cutting this one. So yun guys, as you can see, there's something in here. So it's kind of having some problems. As you can see, it's darkened. So I think the spindle pressed in this one, and I hope so that the spindle did not lose its step, or the Z-axis, which is not really a closed loop. So let me try. I think it's still fine. So for this particular instance, I will also try to find ways to at least install this dust collection without the brushes, because as of now the brushes are built into the machine or the dust collection. Though I can still remove this dust collector or hose, or maybe I can just put this one in here and add some bracket for the spindle. So it's almost on the edge, and here's the computer running the system. So it's now 33 minutes yan running, and I think it's almost done. So here is the current code, and then it's closer to the lower, and then that's the design. So it's getting closer. So this one is almost done. So 2 passes. So yun guys, it's cutting the perimeter. Yan. Oops. So 2 passes. Yan, safe yung hold down. After na matapos yan is babalik yan dito banda, then it will turn off the cutter. Yan, almost there. Yan, it's all done. It's going back to the home, and now we can, yan, it's turned off. Now we can remove the design. So yan, So let's see kung gaano katagal. So it's 49 minutes of cutting that design. So that's very intricate design. So I choose that kind of design so that I can really see the final output. So now I'm going to i-move sa likod ng whole machine so that I can clearly remove the design. Let's do it. So now guys, we're going to move this machine back to that back portion. So Z up. Yan. And backwards. And we're done. So we can now remove this design. Okay, so now guys, we can pop the design out. So I think this one, the cut of the what you call this, the compression bit is really good. The quality is really good. So there's no or I can still see, but then it's just minimal tear out for the top portion. I don't know for the bottom. So yan guys, so small sanding, then everything is going to be fine. So this is a very complicated design from the computer, and as you can see, everything looks good and everything is very dusty. So yeah, so this is the first test. So I'm going to cut another 2 so to be able for me to have some samples. And yeah, so this is the first sample, and I think that's it for this video, and thank you for watching, and see you again next time. If you've reached this part, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'm hoping to do more of this kind of projects in the future, custom works. Bye for now. Peace.